Manu, what are you doing? Are you gonna come down the steps? That's gonna be dangerous. Alrighty, Manu's coming down. Hold on tight, Manu. Oh my goodness, that was so fun. Yippee! That was super fun. Hi, Manu. What do you have over there? What is that? Let's see. It's a Hot Wheels Best Way. It's a one ball pit, and it has 25 balls. Okay, it's a car. So we're gonna open it. We're gonna unbox it. Yeah. And do we have extra balls inside? Yeah, we have. Yeah, we have more balls over there. So we're gonna have plenty of balls to put inside the car. Okay, you ready to open it? Yeah, there's more balls in there. Super Mario. That was super awesome. Now can I drive the car, Manu? Come on, baby. Who's that? Peppa Pig wants to go down. Come on, Peppa, go down. Yay. Who's next? Who's that? Jeez. Yippee. That's Everest? Yay. Who's next? Rocky. Yay. They're all in the ball pit. Having lots of fun. And Mario's driving the car.
Beep the horn, Mario.
Come on, Mario, beat the horn. Beep, beep. Alrighty. Alright, Manu. Are you done? Alright, Manu. Let's have a ball fight right now. Come on, Manu. Up. I'm trying to ball Superman. Superman. What's going on, Manu? What's wrong? That ball, you lost one? Oh my goodness. What's Mario doing? I'm just chilling over here. I love the ball pit. This is so awful. What are you doing, Manu? Who put you in the ball pit? Superman, you're smaller than me. I can't believe that. Manu, can I go in with you, please? What? This is just for boys? I can't believe it. I can't go in because I'm a girl. That's terrible. I don't believe in that. So I'm coming in. Ready or not? Here I come. Oh, he's pushing me away. You're a bad boy, Manu. But I want to go in. Can I please? Yippee! I'm inside. Oh, he's pushing me away. Manu, Peppa Pig's a girl. She's inside the ball pit. Oh, look, he threw me out of the ball pit. That's not fair. He threw me too. He's being bad. All right, Manu, do you like your ball pit? Which number do you give it from 1 to 10? 6? Yeah, and Super Mario is having fun. He likes it. You need more balls? Oh. Okay. You need more balls.
Hey! Let's do that.
Okay. What are you doing?
Maybe you put some water in it.
Whoa, I think we need more balls. Or water. You can put water or balls. Anything but not water for now. Try to do it. You have to get all the toys out?
Hey, what's your problem, Manu? That's not nice.
Yeah, he threw me on the floor. That's terrible. Oh, here's Peppa coming. You only gonna leave Peppa inside?
Wait, Rocky's under here. He was like sitting on Rocky. Poor Rocky, rest in peace. So, Rocky gets to sit in the ball pit. Yay!
Alright. Thanks for watching. Manu, say bye.
Bye. No, Grandma,
What are you doing? Are you gonna come down the steps? That's gonna be dangerous. Alrighty, Manu's coming down. Hold on.